Good morning, guys. I don't even know where to start. I don't know what to say. I don't even know where I end the vlog. Okay, so day before yesterday was my birthday. We didn't really do nothing. Okay, I didn't really have nothing planned because I was planning on celebrating my birthday this weekend. Okay, overall I was grateful. I was thankful just to see another birthday. It wasn't nothing like, oh wow, but it was something. Once you're here, I lived to see another birthday, which I was never grateful for in the past, you know. Um, by me, over the last few months, just changing my mindset and doing things different. I still have my days when I still feel overwhelmed and just frustrated, and you know, that's just life. You're gonna go through things, but it's good to acknowledge your feelings and go through them, but don't stay in them. Yeah, I'm going to show you the clips what we did on my birthday. I'm going to tell you what happened on my birthday. Yeah, I only have few little clips. Then we'll come back to this vlog. Hey y'all, anyways, so this is my birthday night. We decided to go to a restaurant over Fry called Goldie's. This is their menu. This night was spontaneous. It was not planned at all. So we decided to leave Goldie's because that it was a long wait and there was a lot of tables that was not served yet. So we was going to be waiting there quite a long time. So we decided to go. No, I decided because it was my night, of course. I was like, F it, let's just go to McDonald's. Like, I want something quick so I can start partying or whatever like that. So we went to McDonald's. Um, McDonald's was closed, so we had to go to the next location, and here we're at. And yeah, we got our food and we started drinking, baby. So enjoy the rest of it. Hey y'all, what's up? Anyways, it's been like 2 days or so later. I said I was coming back, but yeah, shit happens. But anyways, guys, so I'm on my way to get my nails done. Yay! So I'll see you guys when I reach there. Bye.
Hello, I'm here for my nail appointment.
So the nail lady give me two pizza no. My nail tech gave me some brandy. Hey y'all, anyway, so guys, it's been like a day or two later. I didn't even show you guys my nails because something went down at night. But anyway, so that's my nails. My cousin did my nails, okay, and she was practicing. It's nothing fancy or nothing like that. She just was practicing on me. Don't mind me in the clips. I was just joking around. Yo, like I have to do better with picking up this camera. I just came from the shoe store to get me two pairs of shoes. And Brianna's in the back there. Now we're at the grocery store. I wanted to go inside the mall to get us a few toys because I've noticed that she likes to play with toys now. Only because I don't know if she likes to really play with toys for real, or just because she see other kids are playing with the toys. So my little cousin was there yesterday and she was obsessing over his toys. Even on her birthday night, she was obsessing over his toys. Um, I hold back on getting Brianna toys because I was like, she don't know what to do with it. It was just a waste. Like, I want her to fully understand, like, you know, I don't just want to be buying her a bunch of stuff that just because, yeah, just because. So now that I see that she look like she enjoys playing with toys, I'm gonna go and get her some now. That's way she won't be fighting people for their toys or trying to take out people's toys. Yeah. But two of my nails is already dropping off, girl. So, like I said, these was just practice. So, feel the energy. I feel something. y'all. I came inside here for shampoo for Brianna hair. For some Savlon or Savlin, whatever the name. This is for Brianna. I stopped in the pharmacy real quick. I see the grease in here. I might as well just get it from out here. Hey y'all, what's up? Anyway, so I don't know what kind of recording I was doing. I was inside the store, the beauty store. That's my favorite place to go. Yeah. So anyways, then I went over to the pharmacy to get some Savlon or whatever that's called for Brianna. I got the big bottle of smoking, which was $18. Good shit. I'm gonna be doing a video of me putting my hair up in a ponytail. Then I got some Got to Be, which was $14. Baby, the beauty shop is expensive. Okay, and Brianna's stuff is expensive as well because it's the bottle of shampoo for $9. I don't think that even include VAT. I saw it crossroad in the pharmacy for 7 something. If I didn't know that, boo, I end up getting a crease from what the pharmacy is because the beauty store had it for $11 and in the pharmacy that was for $10. I was like, okay, whatever. But the other beauty store had it for $9 the last time I purchased it. But things went up. Okay, this is the sulfate kit. So yeah, Brianna's been having some problems with dandruff or whatever like that. She's been scratching her hair like crazy and popping out her hair. So I had the grease. I have had the grease, but I had to get the shampoo. Hopefully the shampoo works or something like that, okay? So fingers crossed that the shampoo works because my babies be scratching on her hair too much. I don't like that. Like, she be going in. Well, that's it. That's all. I'm going to make me something quick to eat and I have a party to go to tonight. I need to gel up my hair. I'm going to make like a video of me gelling up my hair. Yeah. Someone told me to put this inside her hair. So, I don't know. I don't see nothing for hair or nothing like that. But someone said do it. I was like, oh. We don't know. We'll see. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next hour or so. Guys, so I'm back. Just finished from eating, feeling much better. I think I'm gonna make me some coffee later, but anyways, whew, I need to straighten up in here, sweep and mop the floor. Okay, y'all see how short my hair is, and baby, this is going to be going in a ponytail or something like that. Gotta make it work. Anyways, let me straighten up in here real quick so I can put Brianna down for a little nap. Good morning, guys. Anyways, I haven't been on this vlog in so long. Not so long, girl, but I always come on here dry crying, but I don't even know if I end it. I think I went to the grocery and I went to the store to get me some hair products and stuff like that. My hair still look down from that day. The last time I picked up the camera was like 4 or 5 days ago. My hair still is look down. The product is bad, baby. It's bad. Bad, bad, bad. Hey y'all, anyway, so it's been like a day later. I'm back on the vlog. I don't have a lot of memory space. That's why I haven't been posting. But y'all, I'm gonna attempt to wash Brianna hair again by myself. Because I cannot wait on Brianna's father. Like, I'm gonna let him slide. But he went to work this morning. And we were still sleeping, so I got these products for Brianna. Y'all know, if y'all watch my old vlogs, I ever had the grease. I don't feel like the grease does nothing, but I still got it again just to try it. I'm gonna try it with the shampoo. This is the Sulfate 8 Kids Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Okay, like I say, hopefully it works. Now, Brianna's aunt said to get this as well and put this inside of here. Leave it on. I'm gonna leave it on for like 4 or 5 minutes, then wash it out. I'm gonna dilute it with some water. I'm gonna spray some water inside this bottle because this is empty. I'm gonna put some water in this bottle and add some of this. Okay, so I have my little mixture inside here. This is not strong like that. Like, I even let Brianna bathe with it to see how it would react to her skin or whatever like that. We all good, we Gucci. This Dead Hall is more way more stronger than this. Like, Dead Hall will burn the shit out of you. I want you to know that. If not used correctly. Okay, that's what I meant when I say Dead Hall will burn the shit out of you. But anyways, I really hope these stuff work for my baby here because I don't like how she's digging out her fucking scalp. Look like she's trying to get to her brains. Like, I don't like that. So anyways, we're gonna get started. Ooh, this is gonna be a rough process. So I'm just letting this Avalon soak in the hair. And look at this. I just bought this. No, like no type of seal. Like, why all these stuff coming with no seal? Like, that make me uneasy. And the Avalon that I bought too, it didn't come with no seal. Like, you just can open it up. Yeah, I don't like that. Yay! Yeah. I'm gonna put on the Sulfate Kids shampoo. Is blue. Smells decent. Okay. Ooh, chill. Excuse me. How I look. Anyways, guys, so I just came back on here to end the vlog. I did wash Brianna's hair. And I put it up with some big plots. I ran out of memory. Okay, so the camera just stopped. But I did plait Brianna hair on some big plots. I'm gonna be washing her hair in the next I would say 3 to 4 days. I'm gonna wash her hair again with the shampoo. Now, I must say that shampoo, that's the cleanest I ever saw my baby hair. The cleanest. I never saw my baby hair that clean yet. So, I like that. Way less dandruff. So, when I wash her hair again in the next 2 to 3 days, I know it's going to be squeaky clean. So, yeah, I need a camera or because this phone, y'all, order to edit my video because it would not save because I don't have no memory. Anyways, it is what it is. So I guess we'll be working on getting the camera. Anyways, I just came back to end the vlog and say because I get cut off today. But anyways, bye.